Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make a homemade cashew nut milk. This cashew nut milk is so creamy and you don't need to strain it. So stay tuned and find out how I make this. So to make this creamy cashew nut milk, I'll be making use of cashew nuts. I have 1 cup of cashew nuts. So I will add water and allow to soak for about 4 hours or more. After soaking the cashew nut, you can notice that it has doubled in size. I'm going to strain to remove the water, rinse and wash properly. When I'm done washing, I'm going to add it into the blender. You can add any sweetener of your choice, but I'm going to use dates. So here I have my dates. So I'm going to remove the seed. I'm using only just one. You can add more. Then I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. You can add more depending on how thick or light that you want your cashew nut milk. Then I'm going to blend until smooth. Finally, the cashew nut milk is ready. This is a simple and easy milk to make. You don't need to strain it. You can store it in a bottle and put in the fridge. It can last for 2 days. I hope that you will try to make your own homemade cashew nut milk because it is more concentrated and contains more nutrients. I hope that you can see how easy it is to make this homemade cashew nut milk, and thank you all for watching.